Devin is at a community repair day, fixing bikes and trikes to donate. There are 12 vehicles altogether. They have 28 wheels in total. How many tricycles did Devin fix? Pause the video. Try to figure it out. Here is a hint. Remember the pretend trick from before. Pretend they are all bikes first, then count the missing wheels. Let us draw the 12 vehicles. Each one is either a bike or a trike. We do not yet know which is which. 12 spots for 12 vehicles. Same pretend trick as before. Let us pretend all 12 vehicles are bikes. Each bike has 2 wheels. So 12 bikes would have 12 times 2 wheels. That is 24 wheels in total. But the problem says there are 28 wheels. We pretended there were only 24. So we are missing 4 wheels. Where did those 4 extra wheels come from? Each time we swap a bike for a trike, we trade 2 wheels for 3 wheels. That is just 1 more wheel per swap. To find 4 more wheels, we swap 4 bikes, so 4 of the 12 vehicles are tricycles. The other 8 are bicycles. Let us check. 8 bikes with 2 wheels each is 16 wheels. 4 trikes with 3 wheels each is 12 wheels. 16 plus 12 is 28 wheels. The numbers match. This is the same pretend trick we used on chickens and rabbits. Pretend everything is one kind. Count what is missing. Each swap adds the difference. For chickens and rabbits, the difference was 2 legs. For bikes and trikes, it is just 1 wheel. The trick is the same, only the numbers change. That is the power of a good math tool. It works on any pair you can mix together. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.